Welcome to English Daily Channel.
Finally, the night train. A long ride ahead.
So you're saying this trip will take all night?
Yes, the whole night. But tomorrow morning, we'll be there.
That's true. We travel while we sleep.
In other words, we don't waste the day.
Exactly. We save the day for our trip.
Do you often take trains at night?
Not really. Only once or twice before.
Oh, so most of the time you travel in the daytime.
Yes, daytime trains. Then I can see the views.
Trees, houses, people outside the window?
Yes, those things. But at night, the window is only dark.
Let me check. You mean outside is just black? Nothing to see?
Yes, only black. Just the sound of the train.
The sound is heavy but steady. Boom, boom, boom.
Boom, boom, boom. Always the same.
Wait a second. You have two phones in your hand?
Two phones? Yes. This big one is new, and this small one is old.
Old? So you don't use it anymore, but you still carry it?
That's right. I don't use it, but I keep it.
But why? Why bring the old one if you have the new one?
I thought it was nothing, just an extra thing.
Hmm. Let me see. If it was nothing, you wouldn't carry it, right?
Well, maybe not nothing. It has photos inside.
Photos? Old photos from the past?
Yes, old photos and messages too.
Oh, so it's like a little memory box.
Exactly. A memory box full of my past.
So, what's the first photo you want to show me?
This one. Look, it's the sea. The sun is going down. A sunset.
Oh, a sunset by the sea.
Yes, by the sea. I took it during a trip with my friends.
A trip with friends. So you're saying this is from a holiday?
Exactly. We went to the coast. It was summer, maybe 5 years ago.
5 years ago? That feels like a long time.
Yes, a long time. But when I look at this photo, it feels close again.
In other words, the photo brings the moment back?
Yes, the photo brings it back. The sound of the waves, the smell of the air.
The smell of the air? You mean the salty sea air?
Yes, the salty air, strong and fresh.
And the colors? The sky looks orange, right?
Orange and a little pink. The sky was like a painting.
So you're saying nature was more beautiful than any photo.
Exactly. The photo is nice, but the real view was stronger.
Who were you with?
With 3 friends from university, we laughed a lot that day.
Oh, so this photo is not only about the sea, it's about friendship, too.
Yes, friendship too. We were young and we felt free.
Let me check. You keep this photo not just for the sunset, but for the feeling.
Yes, for the feeling. The photo reminds me of freedom.
Freedom. That's powerful. Do you miss those days?
A little. I miss the people. I miss the simple time.
But you still have the memory. The phone keeps it safe.
Yes, the phone keeps it safe. Like a box holding a piece of my life.
That's nice. A small phone, but full of big stories.
Yes, small phone, big stories.
So, what's the next photo?
This one. Look, it's from my graduation day. I'm wearing the cap and gown.
Oh, graduation. So you're saying this is the end of university?
Yes, the end of university, but also the beginning of something new.
In other words, one chapter closed, another chapter opened.
Exactly. We finished our studies, but life was waiting outside.
Who are you with in the photo?
With my classmates, we were laughing, hugging, saying goodbye.
Goodbye and hello at the same time?
Yes, goodbye to school, hello to work and adult life.
That must have felt strange. Strange good or strange bad?
Strange good. I felt proud, but also nervous.
Nervous. Let me check. You mean nervous about the future?
Yes, nervous about what comes next. No more teachers, no more classes.
So, you were free, but also not sure what to do.
Right. Free, but unsure. Excited, but worried.
I think many people feel that at graduation. Do you still remember the speech?
The speech? Yes, the teacher said, "This is not the end, it is a beginning."
Oh, so the photo reminds you of that message.
Yes, the photo brings back the words and the feeling.
And the feeling was hope?
Hope, yes. Hope mixed with fear. Both at the same time.
That's powerful. A simple photo, but so many emotions.
Yes, so many emotions in one picture.
Do you still meet those classmates?
Some of them, yes, but others went far away.
Far away? Different cities? Different countries?
Yes, different places. But when I see this photo, they feel close again.
So the photo keeps friendship alive.
Exactly. The photo keeps them near, even when they are far.
Okay, what's next? What photo now?
This one makes me laugh. Look, it's a selfie in the rain.
In the rain? Oh, I see. Your hair looks wet.
Yes, very wet. I was walking home and then it started to pour.
To pour. You mean heavy rain, not just small drops?
Exactly. Heavy, heavy rain. My clothes were all wet.
But you're smiling in the photo. Why smile when you're all wet?
Because it felt funny. I thought, this is terrible, but also special.
In other words, it was a bad moment, but you made it good.
Yes, a bad day turned into a good memory.
So you're saying even bad weather can bring happiness.
Yes, happiness later. At that time, it was cold and heavy.
Cold and heavy rain, but now warm memory?
Exactly. The photo changed the feeling.
Were you alone that day?
Yes, alone. Just me, my umbrella, and my phone.
But I don't see an umbrella in the photo.
That's because the umbrella broke. The wind took it.
Oh, so no umbrella, just you in the rain?
Yes, just me in the rain. And I decided to smile and take a picture.
That's brave. Many people would just run home.
True, but I thought, why not keep this moment?
Let me check. You mean the photo makes the bad day useful?
Yes, useful. A way to remember that not everything has to be perfect.
That's a nice lesson. Do you still look at this photo often?
Sometimes it reminds me not to be afraid of small problems.
Problems come and go, but stories stay.
Exactly. Stories stay, and the photo is proof.
So, what photo comes next?
This one is important. It's a family photo.
A family photo? Oh, I see. You are with your parents?
Yes, my parents, and also my brother and sister.
So, you're saying the whole family is there.
Exactly. The whole family together.
Where was it taken? At home?
Yes, in our living room. You can see the sofa in the back.
In other words, this is not a trip, not outside, just home.
Yes, just home. But home is special
Special how? Special because of the place or because of the people?
because of the people. Home is not only walls, home is people.
Oh, so the photo reminds you that home is family, not the building.
Yes, exactly. A house is a place, but a home is love.
That's beautiful. Were you celebrating something?
Yes, it was New Year. We had food, we had laughter.
I can almost hear it. So you're saying the photo brings back voices too?
Yes, the voices, the smell of food, the feeling of being safe.
Safe and happy at the same time?
Yes, safe and happy. Together, that's the key word.
Do you see your family often now?
Not as often. Everyone is busy, sometimes far away.
Far away, but when you look at the photo, they feel close again.
Yes, when I look, they are close, right here with me.
Let me check. You mean the photo makes distance smaller.
Exactly. Distance becomes nothing when I see their faces.
That's powerful. A small screen, but it carries love.
Yes, a small screen, but so much love inside.
That was many photos. So many stories in one small phone.
Yes, this little phone keeps a big part of my life.
In other words, it's like a book of memories.
Exactly. A book I can open anytime.
And every photo is like a page?
Yes, every photo is a page, every message is a line.
That's beautiful. Do you feel sad when you look at them?
Not sad, more like warm. The memories are alive.
Alive? You mean they don't stay in the past? They come back to you?
Yes, they come back to me. For a moment, I am there again.
That's the magic of photos. A small screen, a big journey.
Yes, a big journey in my pocket.
Do you think you will always keep this old phone?
Maybe yes, even if it breaks, I will still keep it.
Oh, so the phone itself is part of the memory too.
Yes, the phone itself, not only the photos.
I understand. It's like a little time machine.
Yes, a time machine I can hold in my hand.
Well, thank you for showing me.
Thank you for listening. It feels lighter when I share it.
Lighter? You mean easier in your heart?
Yes, easier in my heart.
That's good. Now maybe we can rest. The night train is still long.
Yes, still long. Let's close our eyes and let the train carry us.
Good idea. Tomorrow morning, a new day will begin.